Hey there, greetings from Austria, Vienna. So we arrived yesterday here. We actually had a frustrating arrival because booking went nuts and they had this overbooking in the hotel we booked. So they tried to take us to another hotel we didn't like at all, and then fortunately we found this nice hotel, now the lobby. So yesterday night there were a lot of people having the same overbooking problem, so there were a lot of people coming in, and we had a chat with a couple, a fantastic couple from the UK, and we ended up talking about internet marketing, online business, and they really wanted to understand how online business leads to freedom. So why do we always say that online business brings freedom into your life? How are these connected? Well, the key among online business and freedom is automation. That's the magic word. What does this mean? It means that while having a traditional business means that you have to be in a place, in a shop, in your business geographically, having an online business means that you can work from all over the world. But it's not only that, it's the fact that you can set up your online marketing system with an automated way. So you just create your content, you put it online, and people click on the content because they are compelled from what you write, from what you say, and they can decide if they want to buy what you are suggesting, what you're promoting. And basically you don't need to do anything. So that's how automation in online marketing works. And you just receive notifications about people signing in, or about the sales that you made while you're traveling around. Well, this morning I received an email. I had a sale, a $3,000 sale, and that's made my day compared to yesterday night. And this is what we define freedom in online marketing. So you can travel all over the world because you don't have to be in a physical place, and you earn automated income without having to sell anything to anyone, and without having to ship the product because it's all automated. So that was it. My wife is waiting for me. We're gonna have a walk around Vienna. And if you want to know how online marketing works, click the link below, watch the video. Stuart will explain everything to you, and see you soon. Bye-bye.